All right, hey guys, I'm with Eden. It's been a while. We used to make a lot of cooking videos together with her partner Andre, and she has a little girl now too, and she's 2 years old.
Yeah.
Okay, and kind of a similar birthday, isn't it? January 7th, and then Everly Kate is the 31st of December.
Yeah.
So today we have something that I just found out about. I'm just kind of going to be the videographer. Ron wants to treat Eden to go to the dentist today. So we're gonna fix up some teeth. And we actually did this before in the past for Gia. So this is something, we're gonna do a different one this time. But this is a big thank you to Ron. So thank you very much for helping Eden. Yeah.
Thank you, Ron.
Yeah, thank you very much, Ron. That's very nice of you.
Yeah.
So I'm just kind of here to do some updates. So this is a big thank you to Ron. So there's really nothing to do with me. I'm just here following along. But we are going to take a ride. Hopefully it doesn't rain right now. It's really windy. It actually feels nice. But hopefully don't get stuck in the rain.
Yeah.
What do you think, Tara?
Yeah.
Tara? All right, so we're going to head down there now and see if they're open and get some information. I'm not sure if we'll be able to do any procedure today. Last time, I remember in the past, we had to have x-rays done, and it took like a couple weeks just to get the whole procedure done.
Yeah.
But it's a start. So we'll go down there today, see what's going on, and back from there. All right? All right. Thank you, Ron.
Thank you.
All right. All right, so the plan is we found a place. This is actually the same place where Eden's mom went. So she feels comfortable about going here. And so far the price is $8,900. We'll let you guys know if it gets any higher than that, if there's anything more she needs to do. But so far, so good. Today is going to be like they're kind of grinding down the teeth, and then to be able to prepare for the caps, and then to do the caps tomorrow. So today they're just preparing her teeth, and then putting the caps on tomorrow. All right, guys, so we made it to the dentist office. We got some music going on. So what's the plan? How to go today?
It's okay.
It's okay. So today they just looked at her mouth, they made a what's it called? I think it's called an impression of her mouth. And then tomorrow we'll come back and pull the teeth and put they're gonna pull 3 teeth tomorrow and then put 3 teeth in tomorrow.
Yeah.
So tomorrow's the big day. Today was just kind of preparing. We made a down payment. For those that are interested, all together it's gonna be $10,900. It's $2,000 we're gonna do a retainer for afterwards, and then it's $899 for the procedure, pulling of the teeth and then putting in new teeth. So how do you feel?
I'm scared.
Scared? Yeah. Dentists are never fun, but at least once you're finished, you'll be happy.
Thanks.
Yeah. Thank you, Ron. So today we're just going back, and then tomorrow's the big day. So you have a night to prepare. To change your mind. No. All right, we're gonna head back now, and then tomorrow we'll probably just continue this later tomorrow. So see you guys later. Bye bye. All right, guys. Good morning. So what's the following day? How are you feeling? Okay.
Yeah.
So today's plan, they're going to pull 3 teeth. Are you ready for that?
Not so.
Yeah. I don't think anybody can prepare for that, but it's gonna be the good result.
Yeah.
So pull 3 teeth, and then you'll get new 3 teeth. So we're gonna go to the dentist now and go from there. Tara?
Bye.
Bye. See you later. We can't do any videotaping there at the dentist, so we just want to say hello. Thank you again to Ron, and we'll see you.
Thanks.
We'll see you guys later. Starting to rain. So we're actually going to drive to a different location to get the teeth pulled, and then we'll come back here to put the teeth back in. So hopefully it stops raining soon, and then we'll take off. Alright, here we go. We're going to take the tricycle to the dentist. It did stop raining, kinda. It's just sprinkling barely. So that's good. At least it's not pouring. I don't ride these very often with my bike.
Yeah.
So it's kind of fun to get in here every once in a while. It's like you see things differently. You don't have to worry about driving. It's raining just enough to feel kind of good. Just gonna come and get So we just got off the tricycle. We're at the place where they're gonna extract the teeth.
Bye, Pete.
Bye-bye. Will you keep them?
No.
For a souvenir, no? So we're just here waiting. I was telling her that I had lost my 2 front teeth in 9th grade. I just got my braces off. And it was like a week after I got my braces off. It was on my last basketball game. I jumped up to get the ball. Someone hit my feet tonight. I went face first into the ground. Broke my 2 front teeth. There was not much, there wasn't a chance of saving them. So, and they couldn't fix them right away. So I was actually it was chipped for like I think a week or more than that. I don't remember. It was a long time ago, but it's not a fun feeling going to the dentist, but afterwards it'd be nice once it's done. So we're just waiting here. How's your feelings right now?
Excited.
Excited? Good, good. So I've never been here before. Another place we went to for Gia was in town more.
Yeah.
And so this is a new place. So we're checking out some different areas. So far so good. We're just gonna wait here. It's kind of like the surroundings. Wait here until our turn. Bye-bye. Goes very fast. So you have a cotton swab in there now. Woo! That rain is coming down pretty hard. All right, so we're gonna take the tricycle back. How you feeling? Okay? Yeah? It was actually a very fast procedure. All right, success. Oh, I can barely fit in here. All right, so we're taking the tricycle back. How does it, you probably can't talk. Okay. So the procedure is pretty quick. I think like less than 5-10 minutes, right? From a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being the most painful. How painful is it? Still fine. All right, so not so bad. So that's good. It was funny because we were sitting there waiting, and another person came out, and he was like holding his mouth, and they said, and we asked him, does it hurt? And he says no, but he's like, oh. So I think the pain's tolerable, so that's good. So we got some list of medications to get, and I think we're going back to the other office. I think to fit the braces or the retainer. So far so good. I think you can't talk for 1 week. I'm just kidding. Probably just a few days. Well, all right. We're going back to the other office to fit the retainer. The rain's coming down pretty good. I'm glad we took the tricycle. We would have been wet on the bike. So I think we'll make a final video to say goodbye. Looks very good. Look at that. So can you talk normally
Yeah.
now? Now it's feeling a little bit better?
Yeah.
Alright. It did kind of just start raining. It stopped for a little bit. We were going to drive back, but maybe we'll wait. Put a little stuff up here for a minute. It just stopped. It was starting and it stopped. But anyway, so how does it feel? Does it feel different?
Yeah.
I remember when I first got my braces off for having those on for like 2 years. I couldn't stop running my tongue over my teeth. It's probably the same feeling. Does it feel strange right now? Yeah. One more smile. Yeah. Very, very cool. I'm excited. You excited? Yeah. So I guess this is just goodbye. So thank you. Yeah, thank you, Ron, very much. This is really nice of you. I think Eden's very happy. So we're just gonna wait for the rain to stop, and then we'll head back home. Hey, bro. Who's that weird guy talking to himself? All right. So we'll see you guys later. Thank you, Ron. It was a good day. We'll see you guys next video. Just taking a little hike out here. This is where Rosie used to live. She lives near Richie now. We came out here a few times and had a few meals with them. We got them a lot of gifts from the box. Got them a lot of food. And then eventually when Typhoon Odette came and knocked down the whole house, and then we built the house near where Richie lives. So this is where they used to live. And up here is where we used to have like little school classes, like for teaching the kids to read, and math classes. If we can find a good way up there. Has one of the best views. I'll fast forward and go up there and show you guys real quick. Alright, so if you guys can remember, this is where we used to have classes. I think one of the best views around here. The breeze feels very nice up here. It was raining earlier, but right